school and welcome to another video. Today we're going to look at how to make money on YouTube without making any videos. Now, this is incredibly easy to do. You do not need any experience. It's absolutely free to start, and because we're looking at YouTube, this is available worldwide. Now I'm going to go through this and I'm going to show you examples of people who are already doing this. I'll show you the process and I'll show you exactly how you can do this step by step. You'll be to be fair, you'll be a bit surprised because when I started looking into this and looking at people who are already doing what I'm going to show you, it's quite incredible how much money they're actually making and how they're able to do this, because it's all free. So let's jump in this and I'll show you exactly the process and how to set everything up right now. So very quickly before we jump into the video, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. My name is Mark. On the screen's one of my blogs, and I go ahead and I blog and I upload videos about making money online and working from home. And if you're interested in working from home and earning some extra money, if you go over to this awesome stuff and go to the members area, I've got lots of freebies in there. There's ebooks, there's courses, there's PDF, there's how to make money on Amazon, there's some eBay tips in there, there's some online courses, there's a Teespring course in there. So if you want some of those freebies, go ahead and check it out. It's over here. I'll drop a link to it below for you. But let's jump into this video. So I'm on YouTube here. It's just loading up. Now all I've gone ahead and typed into YouTube here is homemade burger, and you can see it's brought up all of these listings on here. So the one I'm going to focus on and share with you is this one here. So this channel here called Food Lovers. Now the first thing to notice, they've not even spelt the word burger correctly. They've put bugger. Bizarre. Anyway, this video has had 3.5 million views. Now let me go into this video and show you this. So this video here will have made this Food Lovers some serious money, really. I mean, 3.5 million views is a hell of a lot of video views on a how to make burger video spelt incorrectly. But let me just scroll down the page here and show you this, because this is the video. Now you'll notice at the bottom here it says taste made. Now let me go ahead and further down the page. Come down here, this is all the description. Now you see here, this is, oh, where's it gone? It's here. This here. None of these images, music or video clips were created or owned by us. Now if you just scroll back up here, so the video up here is 10 different homemade burger recipes, and these are the different recipes here. Now you can see here they're linking out to this website here, this tastemade.com. So what they're doing is they're going ahead and they're using what are called Creative Commons videos, and then they're just uploading them to YouTube, and then they're linking out to the site here, so they're giving them credit on here, and then they're just uploading it to YouTube. Now they've currently got 258,000 subscribers, and this channel has been going for a little over a year. Now let's just have a look at some money that they're actually able to earn. So this is a site you can use here. It's called socialblade.com, and it's basically just a way to go ahead and spy effectively on other channels. So this is the channel. They've uploaded 121 videos. They've got 258,000 subscribers. Now if I come down here, now these figures here, these are an estimate. So you can see here the estimate that this site is earning between £170 a month and £2,700 a month, based upon the Google ads that are placed upon the video. So you'll know the ads. So you had these ads here which just pop up here. So this is an ad, and then they also have ads at the beginning of a video or potentially somewhere in the middle. So that is how they're earning money on this channel here. So if we go back over to Social Blade and we'll just have a look here, let's just scroll down. So you can see here, estimated that the channel's earning anywhere between £2,000 and £32,000 a year. Now these, like I said, these figures here are as an estimate. So let's just take a conservative figure, because I know that these figures on here are wrong, and it's more than likely that this channel is earning more than these figures on here. But let's just take a conservative figure in the middle. So we'll say that this channel is earning about £1,000 a month. So if we just scroll down here, you can see here, these are the number of subscribers that the channel's getting every single day. It's incredible numbers, really. You can see it has peaks and troughs. Like one day it's got 500, the next day it's got nearly 1,300, 659, and it drops down again, then it jumps back up. So they're getting a hell of a lot of traffic on this, a lot of subscribers on this channel. And if you see here, you can see back in January 17, they weren't really doing much in terms of views. Again, 280 views, 247. Then it jumps up to 34,000. So it looks like one of their videos will have gone pretty viral on YouTube, or it became popular. And then you can see from here, it's just gone up and up and up. So let's go back over to their channel. So this channel here, they're earning anywhere between, like I say, 16 and £32,000 a year. Now, whilst this is all great for this channel here, they're missing out on some money. So what they could do on here is, instead of not having any links on here, you could go over somewhere really simple like Clickbank here. And on the left hand side, so Clickbank's a free place, by the way, you can go ahead and sign up to this for free. On the left hand side you've got all your categories, and I've just come in here and I've clicked on cooking, food and wine, and then clicked on recipes. Now you can see on here there's all these different recipes on here, and you could click to promote any one of these that you wanted. You would find one. So this one here, or this one here, the Ultimate Cookbook Collection. Every sale that you make, you earn $11 on here. So all you do on here is you sign up, get a free account, click on promote, and then it will open up here, and then it gives you a link here. So basically you have this link and you can share this in your YouTube description, and then every time someone buys this product you earn a commission on doing this. Now you could go ahead and you could build landing pages and an email list and other stuff, but because we're looking at this video is predominantly for beginners, we won't go into any of that stuff. We'll just focus on the really simple stuff. So you would get this link here, and then you'd copy this and you'd put this into your YouTube description. Now instead of having a real long link like this, you could just go over to a link shortener. So you could use a free one, like you could use a Google link shortener, or you could use Bitly. And all you do is you copy this into the link shortener and it will give you a shorter link. So it'll say https://bit.ly, and then it'll have a couple of numbers on the end, and then you'd simply put that link into your YouTube description for your video, because that is another way that you can make money. And this channel here should absolutely be doing this, because they've got a lot of subscribers, they're getting a hell of a lot of views on there, and all of the people who are viewing this will be interested in all of these homemade burger recipes. So this product over on Clickbank here, the Ultimate Cookbook Collection, even if 1% of the viewers went ahead and bought this, they'd be making some serious money by doing so. So this is the food lovers one, right? So you can see they're not doing, none of this is theirs, they're just taking other people's content and uploading it on here, and then they're earning money from doing so. So let me show you a simple way how you can go ahead and do this yourself. So we're back here with the homemade burger. See, and we've searched this. Now what you can do on YouTube is where it says filter here, click on filter, and then you want to go over here and click on Creative Commons. And this will show you all of the videos which have been uploaded to YouTube using the Creative Commons license. So that basically means you can go ahead, you can download this video, and then you can re-upload this video to your YouTube channel. Now all you need to do is you need to include credits. So where this one says here, go back up to here and scroll down. See where it says, where's it gone? Where's it gone? Credit. So they're crediting the website where they got it from. So if you was to go ahead, as for argument's sake, and use, let's say, this video here, you would put a credit in back over to the channel name here, and you'd also put a link over to the YouTube video here. And that is basically how you do it. So whatever topic you're looking for, you come into YouTube, you use the search bar, you hit filter, and then you go on Creative Commons, and you can go through and you can use any of these videos here and upload them onto YouTube under your own channel. Now I'd advise you to go ahead and mix it up a little bit, maybe put like your own intro in there, and maybe do like a couple of really simple edits. But you can go ahead and you can do that using some free screen capture software. So let's say, sorry, why is this happening? If you wanted some of these videos here, and like I'm recording this screen here, you can use a free software called Screencast-O-Matic, and then what will happen is you can simply download this video, upload it onto your Screencast-O-Matic account, you can edit it, and then you can just re-upload it to YouTube. It's really, really simple to do, it's really easy. Now if you didn't particularly want to use any of these YouTube videos, there's many other places you can go and find royalty free and Creative Commons videos. You can go over, sorry about this, you can go onto Google, and you can see on here I've just typed in free video HD. Now all of these sites here, you can see all of these ones here, these all have thousands of videos that you can use for free as long as you credit the original source. You can go into any of these here and they will have videos on absolutely any topic that you're looking to create. Whether that is food and recipes, whether that is weight loss, whether that is gaming, it doesn't matter. You'll go ahead and find it. But by going ahead and using some of these ones on YouTube with this Creative Commons license, it is just a really simple way and a really easy way to go ahead and make some extra money. Now, don't expect that you're going to start making lots of money straight away, because it's like anything, it's going to take some time and effort. But if you want a simple way to make some extra money on YouTube without having to make these videos yourself, then everything I've shown you in this video, it's really simple, it's really easy, and you can get started straight away doing this. So that is today's video. That is how you can make videos on YouTube. Well, how you can make money without making your own videos on YouTube. If you have any questions whatsoever, please leave them below in the comments box and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And very quickly, just don't forget, if you are looking for some more freebies to go ahead and different ways that you can make money online, then go and have a look at this members area here, because like I said, there's plenty in there for you to go ahead and start making money, and everything that I share in here that is also free to get started with as well, because you do not need to go ahead and pay out lots and lots of money to start making money online. Lots of ways to make money online. They're all free, they're all simple, and they're really easy. It just takes a little bit of your time and effort to go ahead and do that. So that's enough for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.